Hello and welcome to this new video on how to location share in Google Maps. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Google Maps application, and when you have accessed the home page or the interface of the Google Map application, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be a circular icon, or you can also call it your profile icon. So you just have to click on it and a pop-up box will appear. And inside the pop-up box there will be an option called location sharing, so you just have to click on that location sharing option. And when you are inside the location sharing section, you just have to click on that button called shared location that you see in your screen. So just click on that shared location and another interface will be shown right in front of your screen. Now you just have to choose the person with whom you want to share your location. You can send the location to that person in message or in the messenger or through the mail, or you can also share them through the contact. But in order to share them through the contact, you need to give the access of the contact to the Google Maps. So this is how you can share location in Google Maps. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.